Which air fryer toaster oven is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to get the real answer. Today, we'll break down the top 5 choices that can make cooking easier and more delicious. Product number 1. Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven caught my eye with its sleek stainless steel finish and impressive 8-in-1 functionality. Priced at $158.40, it sits comfortably in the mid-range, but offers a lot for what you pay. If you want a reliable all-rounder for your kitchen, this is worth a serious look. So, what makes this Cuisinart a solid choice? First off, it has Air Advantage technology that optimizes hot airflow for crispy, evenly cooked food. You can air fry 3 pounds of chicken wings or bake a 12-inch pizza, making it versatile enough for family meals or snacks. Plus, with a 60-minute timer and temperature control up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it gives you the flexibility to cook a wide variety of dishes. It also enjoys a 4.4-star rating with over 7,700 reviews, indicating many satisfied customers. Now, some users have mentioned that the interior space can be a bit limiting if you're cooking for a larger crowd. Here's the thing though, if you're cooking for a small family or just for yourself, this isn't a deal breaker. It's compact but mighty. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable air fryer toaster oven for everyday cooking without taking up much counter space. Skip this one if you're looking to cook large meals for gatherings or parties. For its price, the value is definitely there. Now, if the Cuisinart capacity seems a bit small for your needs, the next one is all about maximizing space. Product number 2. Ninja Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven. Next up is the Ninja Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven, priced at $179.99. This one stands out with its sleek design and 8-in-1 functionality. If you're looking for something that combines efficiency and great cooking results, this deserves your attention. The Ninja features digital crisp control technology, which means precise temperature and airflow for perfect cooking every time. It cooks meals up to 60% faster than a traditional oven, which is a game changer for busy nights. Plus, it claims to cut fat by 75% when air frying, so you can enjoy your favorite meals guilt-free. With over 26,100 reviews and a stellar 4.6-star rating, it's clearly a favorite among users. However, some folks pointed out that the drop-down door can be a bit tricky to clean under. Here's the thing. If you're okay with a little extra maintenance for delicious, quicker meals, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're short on time and space, but still want to enjoy healthy meals. Skip this if you prefer a traditional oven experience. For the features it offers, it's reasonably priced. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list is a powerhouse for those who want more cooking functions. Product number 3. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. Moving on, let's talk about the Breville BOV8 60 BSS Smart Oven Air Fryer, which is priced at $349.95. This one really impressed me with its premium features and versatility. If you want to step up your cooking game, this is worth considering. The Breville comes packed with 11 cooking functions, including air fry, broil, and bake. Its Element IQ system uses 5 independent quartz elements to precisely control the cooking environment, reducing cooking time by up to 30%. With a spacious interior, it fits a 13-inch pizza or 6 slices of bread comfortably. The 4.5-star rating and over 3,200 reviews speak to its quality and performance. That said, some users have mentioned it can take a bit of time to learn how to operate all the functions effectively. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, the results are well worth the learning curve. This is perfect for you if you want a top-notch appliance that can do it all and don't mind spending a bit more for it. Skip this if you're looking for a simple, straightforward air fryer. The value is there if you want multi-functionality in your kitchen. Now, if you're looking for an option that offers even more cooking space, the next one might catch your eye. Product number 4. Ninja French Door Premier Air Fry Oven. Next is the Ninja French Door Premier Air Fry Oven, priced at $219.99. What's cool about this one is its unique French door design and massive cooking capacity. If you're cooking for a bigger family or love hosting, this is definitely worth your attention. With a 5-quart air fry basket, you can cook up to 5 pounds of French fries or a whole roast effortlessly. It's a true multitasker with 10 cooking functions, including air roast, bake, and dehydrate. Plus, it heats up 60% faster than traditional ovens. Users rave about its 4.6-star rating with nearly 700 reviews, which is impressive. However, some users noted that it requires a bit more counter space than other models. But honestly, if you have the room and need that extra capacity, it's a minor trade-off for what you get. This is perfect for you if you frequently prepare meals for large gatherings. Skip this if you're tight on counter space or don't need that much cooking capacity. For its features, it's reasonably priced. Now, if you want something that's a bit more multifunctional, the last one on our list is all about versatility. Product number 5, Emeril Lagasse French Door Multifunction Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Finally, we have the Emeril Lagasse 26 Cutie French Door Multifunction Air Fryer Toaster Oven, priced at $190.99. This one is all about versatility with its 24 cooking functions. If you want a true all-in-one machine for your kitchen, this could be your go-to. With a whopping 26 cutie capacity, it's designed to handle everything from after-school snacks to full family dinners. The dual-speed fan circulates 360 degrees of superheated air, ensuring your food comes out crispy and delicious. With a solid 4.4-star rating and 17,500 reviews, it's clear that it's a popular choice. That said, some users found the controls a bit overwhelming at first. Honestly, if you're not tech-savvy, it might take a bit of time to get used to all the features. But once you do, it's incredibly rewarding. This is perfect for you if you want a multi-functional appliance that can handle large meals. Skip this if you prefer a more straightforward cooking experience. Considering all it offers, it's a great value. So, we've explored 5 fantastic air fryer toaster ovens today, each with its strengths and weaknesses. Whether you're looking for versatility, cooking speed, or capacity, there's an option here for you. Product number 6, Best Pick. In summary, the Cuisinart is great for everyday use. The Ninja offers speed and compactness. The Breville delivers premium functionality. The Ninja French Door is perfect for large families, and the Emeril Lagasse is incredibly versatile. Whatever your needs, there's a perfect air fryer toaster oven waiting for you.